Founded in 1945 and operating out of South Africa with our head office here in Cape Town, Lasec has been supporting customers both in South Africa and the rest of Africa with dependable laboratory and scientific solutions. We work across public and private healthcare, tertiary, research, and manufacturing communities. Our open product and sales floor allow for easy collaboration between our teams, ensuring quick turnaround times on inquiries. Our support teams, IT, finance, marketing, tenders, and logistics are all centrally located here at our head office in Cape Town. Our facilities are fully outfitted with an independent filtered borehole water supply and power generators to ensure sustainability and independence. Additionally, we have installed a solar energy system to reduce our dependence on fossil fuels and to do our bit for the environment. We have multiple collaborative spaces available. Our auditorium is the perfect space for on-site workshops and seminars with customers or suppliers. Our demonstration rooms, both in Cape Town and Johannesburg, are fully equipped to host customers for a hands-on experience with our products. We have facilities to accommodate this whether you are troubleshooting and require our knowledge, or if there is a new instrument you are eager to try out. We collaborate closely with our partners and have over 8,000 square meters of warehousing capacity to ensure stock availability. Our supply chain is flexible enough to accommodate accelerated shipments while being designed to land stock at the best price. Our product teams keep an eye on the marketplace to spot potential patterns in demand, and then we forecast accordingly. Because our cold storage facilities are remotely monitored around the clock, we can respond quickly if a problem occurs. Our 24 service engineers and technicians have extensive training and credentials. 3 of our engineers are NSF 49 certified and have received the most advanced biological safety training. This enables our staff to test, maintain, and fix safety cabinets from all major brands in order to guarantee user safety. As a result of our ISO 17025 accreditation in volume, temperature, and mass metrology, we are able to calibrate pipettes, balances, and a variety of temperature instruments, including ovens, furnaces, and even ultra-low freezers. Our logistics department manages all our international shipments, both inbound and outbound. We can guarantee effective shipments across Africa thanks to the support of a cutting-edge supply chain management system in collaboration with reputable logistics service providers. Our goal at Lasec is to help our employees reach their full potential through facilitating higher learning. To date, we have helped 102 members of our Lasec family realize their aspirations for a better education. Our internship program, which we provide to young professionals with an interest in science, has mentored 54 South Africans, 26 of whom Lasec has hired on a permanent basis. An overview of our business units. Consumables. The accessibility of necessary everyday consumable goods is ensured by a sizable stockholding. When forecasting demand, we collaborate closely with our customers. We offer a variety of product levels depending on your demands for quality and pricing. Instruments. We deliver top-notch technology to end users at a reasonable price thanks to our experience, purchasing strength, and solid partnerships with manufacturers. We provide a large selection of instruments suitable for various lab settings. Along with preventative maintenance and servicing, we also provide installation, setup, and end-user training. Biotechnology. Our biotechnology portfolio offers full workflow solutions for both genomic and proteomic laboratories in various fields such as research, diagnostic, veterinary, and biopharma. Our instrument and consumable offerings include RNA, DNA, and protein purification, endpoint real-time and droplet digital PCR, imaging systems for Western blots and documenting gels, immunoassay and multiplex immunoassay systems, and external controls for accredited laboratories. Clinical. Our quickly growing range of clinical products addresses rapid and point-of-care solutions for accurate diagnosis. We offer surgical and medical equipment along with required consumables, including a wide range of oxygen support and delivery. Our suppliers and manufacturers are selected through a stringent onboarding process which ensures that our offering meets the highest quality standards. Sample collection. We collaborate with global funding partners to address the demand for sample collection across Africa, especially for the detection and monitoring of HIV viral loads. Here in Cape Town, our kit packing facility has an ISO 13485 accreditation. Additionally, we also pack sample collection kits for TB, HPV, and prepare private label kits in collaboration with our customers. These are 100% customizable. Furniture. Our team considers the application to ensure efficient productivity when designing, manufacturing, and installing fit-for-purpose customized lab furniture. Our product is locally produced and delivered flat pack throughout Africa, with installation supervised by our team to ensure the integrity of finishes. We have offices in all South African major city centres, as well as additional support in outlying areas. Our international team actively supports sub-Saharan Africa and even beyond the continent in other developing nations. Product managers that are part of our consumables, instrument, and biotechnology teams assist our sales teams and end users. These product managers have laboratory experience and have completed rigorous training programs with our manufacturing partners. Welcome to Lasec. Trust our experience.